I wasn't expecting this tiny Belgian village to blow me away, but Crupet honestly felt like stepping into a fairy tale. Joey and I spent the afternoon hiking past castles, stone cottages and lush green hills. And the best part? We beat the rain by minutes and ended the day with a cold beer, hot coffee and a cozy little spot.
Joey, are we in Crupet? Yeah, we're in Crupet. We're gonna do a bit of a hike. So, we are in the wonderful town of Crupet. Yes, we were here yesterday as well. Yes, we did not stay long, but we are giving this another shot. We're going to try and hike on Easter. It's a beautiful day. Let's do it. Quick pee. Start the hike.
We arrived in Crupet with no big expectations. Just a general plan to stretch our legs, get some fresh air and see what the so-called most beautiful village in Wallonia was all about. Spoiler, it lived up to the title and then some. The first part of our hike started near the chateau of Crupet Castle, a medieval moated castle that looks like something out of a fantasy movie. It's private so you can't go inside, but just walking the trail that loops around it gives you some magical views, with reflections in water, ivy-covered stone walls and little bridges that feel straight out of a storybook. Joey was, of course, more interested in the ducks in the moat than castle history. Priorities. From there we strolled through Crupet's narrow stone streets, past rusty cottages, small chapels and gardens in full spring bloom. It's a place that feels untouched, like it's proud to stay exactly the way it's been for centuries. No tourist buses, no rush, just silence, birdsong and the occasional wave from a local. Eventually we came to the grotto of St. Anthony of Padua, one of the most unexpected stops. It's a quirky, peaceful cave chapel tucked into a hill with life-size statues, quiet candles and a view over the valley. Whether you're religious or not, there's something calming about it. Joey waited patiently while I explored a bit. I even think he knew this was a place to chill. The second half of the afternoon was all about hiking through the countryside. We followed a marked trail that led us out of the village and into the rolling fields and forest edges that surrounded Crupet. It was the perfect mix of open space and shaded woodland, nothing too intense, just enough to get the legs moving and the lungs full of fresh air. Hello. Are you a little bit tired? You did walk a bit already. That's very good of you. Joey is tired. Joey Ben Moo, so he's going to be carried for a while. It's okay. Days like this are why I love slow travel. Crupet wasn't packed with attractions or big must-see checklists. It was quiet, local and full of moments that just landed right. A castle walk, peaceful hikes and coffee just in time for the rain.
This cat was checking out my drone when I was landing. I thought he was going to try to steal it. So he was like a flying mouse. We're in Belgium, drink beer and drink local beer.
I love discovering the beers around this place.
We're going to try to pronounce it, but it's called Caloes, a little brown beer. After a hike, in rainy weather, and a cat behind me. Beautiful.
If you ever found a little village like this and completely surprised you, let me know in the comments. I'm always up for discovering new hidden gems. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it to someone who needs a bit of slow travel inspiration, and subscribe to the channel for more walks, vlogs, and off the beaten path adventures. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exploring.